So in my previous video, I did show how to fund your Web3 wallet through Bybit by creating a new Bybit account and at the same time by depositing into your Bybit account. However, so many people that have watched the video has complained that they have issues setting up their two-factor authentication, which is needed by Bybit in order to protect your account. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to properly set up a two-step verification on your Bybit account, and at the same time, most importantly, how to use the Google Authentication app, which many people have been having issues. If this sounds interesting to you, do well to hit the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. And again, I will advise that you do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on our subsequent video. At the same time, do not forget, if you are watching this video, if you're a beginner and you are not yet in our group, then you can use the link that appears under this video to join our group. You can simply type it on your browser and you will find yourself in our group where thousands of other people who are looking for ways to make money in the Web3 space are. Alright, without wasting much of the time, let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, log in to your Bybit app and you should come to this interface. So should in case your own Bybit interface is like this, what you need to do in this situation is that means your Bybit interface is currently in light version. So what you want to do is to click here at the top left corner here, and you will see this thing right here that says Bybit Pro. You see Bybit Pro here, see Bybit Pro, then click it. Just click on Bybit Pro, it is switched to Pro. But if your own is showing Bybit Lite, then there's no need to click it. That means your own is currently in Pro, and you should see something like this. In Bybit Pro, you will see Home, Market, Trade, and Assets below here. All of these things, like I said, you see all of this right here. Okay, you will see all of this right here. If you are seeing all of this right here, like, then that means your own is Bybit Pro. But if I'm not seeing it, your own is Bybit Lite, and that's how when you should now come here and switch. But you can see that if I come here now, you will see I will see Bybit Lite. That's because I'm already in Bybit Pro. So that is it. Now, second thing now, so now use the Google Authenticator, which is our two-factor authenticator, because I prefer Google Authenticator as our two-factor authenticator. Why? The reason why I prefer it is because even if somebody have access to our Bybit tomorrow, without the Google Authenticator, they won't be able to withdraw our money. They won't be able to do anything. And Google Authenticator verification is very, very powerful. So I use it across any listing I'm logging into. I use it for Facebook. I use it for Bybit MEXC. I use it for basically anything that has Google Authenticator in it. All right, anything that has Google Authenticator as two-factor authenticator, I love it because it's very, very stronger. Okay, so now to set up Google Authenticator, first and foremost, all you want to do is you want to go to Play Store. Okay, head straight to Play Store. And if you're an iPhone user, head straight to App Store. Search for Google Authenticator. You will see it, Google Authenticator. Or if you search for Authenticator app, don't choose all this Authenticator app. Oh, please, so be careful. Authenticator app 2FA, please. The one you should go for is this Google Authenticator. You can see it right here that has Google LLC tools. That is what you should go for. You can see the logo. Then click on it and install it. Okay. Now, after you've installed it, then open it. It will open, and you will see this interface right here. Now, from this interface, you will see this plus sign at the top, at the bottom right. Click on it. All right, then you will see two things that says scan a QR code or enter a setup key. Now click on the enter a setup key. Now once you enter it, it will take you to a page where you will see it will tell you code name, your key, and type of key. All right, so the first thing where it said code name, now that place put any name that you use to remember. So but for me, I'll put Bybit. All right, your own is to put Bybit. Okay, you type Bybit. Okay, so you should put Bybit there. Then where it says your key, now this key, now it is Bybit that will provide it for us, and this is the most important part of it. Okay, so what we do next is we go to Bybit. Okay, so once you get to Bybit back here, you will click this top right, top left actually, this thing, click on it, that profile, this thing. Now once you click on it, you will now see this where they say this arrow key right here. Click on the arrow key right here. Now once you click on the arrow key, you will scroll down, you will see where they say security, set up 2FA verification. Click on it.
Now, where they say change password, email, mobile. Now, if you like, you can set up mobile. That is SMS, but I don't like setting up SMS. The reason why I don't like setting up SMS is that in the future now, another president of Nigeria or your country president might come tomorrow and say, oh yeah, all the internet service provider, including SMS, blah blah blah, they should block all crypto exchange protocol and everything. And if they do that, if you want to withdraw your money from Bybit or you want to withdraw your money from Bybit, they will always ask you for code for all of the two-factor authenticator you've set. So if you set mobile and your country block option of, maybe the block option of receiving SMS from all these crypto websites, you are in problem. You are in big problem because you won't be able to receive it except if you are lucky enough and Bybit give you option to be able to select one of the two of the verification you turn on. But if the only verification you turn on is two-factor you turn on is mobile, that is SMS, or you are in big soup. Because email verification is by default. Mobile is another one. That's why you call it two-factor. That means two type of authenticator. And you can set up 3, which is this Google 2FA. So in that case, I don't like using SMS. So I don't like using SMS. So email is by default. Definitely, if you want to withdraw, you will receive an email. So now the one we want to turn on here, we say Google two-factor authenticator. Click on it, turn it on. Now once you turn it on, they will ask you, they will definitely ask you what to provide a code now for your email. They will send a code to your email to confirm that you are the one. They will send a code to your email and ask you to put it. So I'll quickly put the password, the code they sent to my email. All right, now you can see that I've put it. They will tell you, say, please install Google Authenticator app on your phone. You will click on continue. Now they will not give you a code. You can see my own code. Now you can see my code. Anybody now this code now copy it. You see this code, you will copy it. Now this code as you copy it now, it used to change you. But copy it. Now I will advise you to now go and save this code down in a secure place. You can save it anywhere. Just save it. This authenticator code is important because tomorrow if you lose your phone, for example, let's say you lose your phone now and you want to use it again, you want to buy a new phone, you want to use Google Authenticator for your Bybit app. Definitely, if you download the Google Authenticator app, if you want to set up Authenticator for that Bybit, they might not give you this code again. If you want to log into that Bybit on the new phone, you need Google Authenticator, and you've lost your phone. So what are you gonna do? You will need this code. You will need to, if they're asking for Google Authenticator code, to get that code, you will need this thing to set up the Google Authenticator again. So that's why this thing is important, just as your private key is important. So what we do is save this. Don't change anything from this thing. This one, don't worry. Even if somebody see this one, as far as the person does not know the login to your Bybit, they cannot use it. But then save that Google Authenticator code. You see the key, this key they gave to you. Save it somewhere. You can write it down or screenshot it or save it somewhere. Or better still, save it in a specific email. You can save it in even a personal email of your choice. And just give it a name. So there are some times that I've saved my own in the past on some email or even Telegram. I saved something on Telegram save. I just indicate it Bybit Authenticator. Just Bybit Authenticator. But if I thought you are going to save it in your mail, please ensure that you are not saving it in the same mail that is attached to that of Bybit and logging in. Please don't do that. Okay. You can save it in a different mail entirely. That it is not the email you are using to sign up on that Bybit to protect yourself. Okay, for security purpose, save it. Now copy the key. So once you save it and you are sure that you save it, ensure that it's the same. Copy the key. Then don't click next to go back to Google Authenticator. Okay. So once you are there, where they say key, you see, you know that we have 3 things. We have code name, which is the name of the app or website you want to use the Google Authenticator for. My own is Bybit, so just put the name of your choice. Now where they say key, that Bybit just generated for you, that you copy paste it there. Now where they say type of key, leave it there as time based. Then you now click on add. Okay, you now click on add. Now they will bring us to this page and you see you will see that the name of your Bybit, you see a code that is changing. It has a cycle this thing that is changing every 10 seconds. Now you now quickly copy it. You copy the code or just note it in your head. My own is 223933. You will now come back to Bybit. You will click on next. Now they will now ask you to put a code to see whether it's working. All right, they will ask you to put a code. You see, they will ask you once you click on next, they will ask you to put a code. All right, you don't click on get code. They will ask you to put a code. You will now go back to the Google Authenticator app. Go back there. Once you go back there, any code that is showing you at that time before the countdown time count finish, quickly copy it. My own is 965721. I will quickly come back here. 961, you see automatically, because I already copied it, it just pastes it there automatically. Once you paste it, you will see that my Google Authenticator is now turned on. So that is it. So anytime you want to now log in, it will keep on asking you for what? Google Authenticator. Now, for example, if I log out from this thing here, if I log out now, see, I've logged out. If I log in back, all right, see, if I put my password, all right, if I click login now, you see what will happen. Okay, you see what will happen now. You see that it's not asking me for Google Authenticator now. You see it. So if you want to withdraw as well, it will ask for this thing Google Authenticator. So all you just have to do is the old authenticator code, the code you use, you won't use it again. You have to open the Google Authenticator app. You will see a code there. That thing we had. You are not, that key they gave to you that says you save in your email. You don't need it again now, except you lose your phone. Maybe you don't have a hand. You want to set up a Google Authenticator app on another this thing. That's when you need it. But I will show you how to protect yourself even if you lose that one. Now you see that they ask me authenticator. All you just have to do is open your Google Authenticator app. You see that the code is already waiting, because the code usually is always there 247 new code, but it changes every 30 seconds. You just see, wait, you see that the thing is changing. You see this one now that they gave to me now before it changed, 996096. I'll quickly come back here, or you copy it, 996096. Can you see that it has logged me in? You see that it has logged me in. So that is how to do it. Now, how can you protect yourself from this thing? Fine. If you go to the Google Authenticator app back, click the above up here. All right. If you click the above up here, you will see this thing that looks like cloud. You will see it. You see it. Now, once you click it, they might ask you to add to connect to. They might ask you to open up your email and select an email. Choose an email. You see that if you see this email, I already choose my email here. So that way, it will back it up in your Gmail. All right. But if you already logged into Gmail before, you might start seeing this thing that you are here. But if you click on that cloud, that you can back it up. So that every code that is there, my own, you see, as my own is plenty, I use for different websites. So I don't need to, all these websites here that I have this, I'm using this Google Authenticator for. I have each of the Google Authenticator key before saved somewhere else. But since Google now introduced this cloud backup, that means I can back up all my Google Authenticator on a specific email. So I now choose that email, this email you see up here, and I back it there. So anytime maybe I just lose my Google Authenticator, all I need is just to download the Google Authenticator app, log in. They will ask me, I will just log into my Google Authenticator using my Gmail. Once I log in, it will fetch every of these Google Authenticator that already back up in this cloud here. It will fetch it out automatically. So I don't need to start inputting that key that Bybit gives to me again. I will share everything here because Google make it easier for us now, because they understand that some people might lose their phone. So with this now, I can easily be seeing my Google Authenticator. I can sleep knowing quite well that if anything happens to my phone, I can easily download Google Authenticator app on another phone. Just log into this my email, which I back up everything, and everything will appear again. You see it, Gmail. So that is the beauty of it. So that is all, guys, for this. And don't forget to like this video, and don't also forget to comment where you are watching from and videos you would like me to cover up next. And if you have any issue, you can definitely leave a comment under here. And if you are not on our Telegram group where things are going on, where I'm teaching Web3 how to make money from Web3 and airdrop, then you are really missing a lot. Do well to check below this video link or pin comments, and you will see the links to our Telegram, or you will see it on the screen that appear. You can simply type it on your mobile phone browser, your Chrome or Opera or any browser of your choice, and it will take you to Telegram. So you need a Telegram to join our group. So thank you for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.